Hello everyone, this is Tito Nelius and join me on my first dinner right here at Nagoya, Japan. You know, as a travel blogger and basically food blogger, so every time we have a chance to visit a different country or different city, besides your own local city, you want to try their local food or local restaurant. And this one in Nagoya, particularly in Ozu, I find this restaurant cute. Wow. Good food, good presentation, and affordable. Wow. So, in order natin itong pork loin cutlet meal to at 1,760 yung tax included. Diba? So, it's about 800 pesos in Philippines. Si Mrs. naman, in order a jumbo fried shrimp meal. 1,980 yen. So, hati kami. So, about 1,000 pesos, diba?
You like rice pa?
So, kasi on diet ako. So, ano naman kaya ang lasa ng kanilang tempura? Nakihati lang ako kasi gabi na plus on diet ako. Wow! Fresh na fresh. Ang tayo ko to? Boiled ba to? Raw. So, ayan, hinalo niya itlog. Hindi ko nakita kasi okay naman. Anong lasa? Itlog. Nasa itlog. Magaling. Ilaw yan, ha? So, bago natin kainin, bigyan mo natin daw ulam. So, ito. Pipino na parang may siling labuyo ba yan? Tignan natin, ha? Wow! Kaya pala mataba itong tempura. Oh. Kasi tatlo. Tatlo. Grabe. Kaya ito. Ako yung butas ng ilong ko. Sarap po, parang
Rib eye in order ko.
rib eye ba yan? Ito naman ano. Yan no. Ito mo. Juicy. Ito yung pork cutlet, pork loin. Rib eye pala. Hindi pork cutlet. Pero masarap pa rin. Rubber.